I'm Stephanie Essen here with Wendy Boswell. This is Innovator Spotlight. This time we talk about Intel software innovator Debashree Chanda, a developer from a small town in northeastern India who's been working on some pretty amazing stuff. Wendy, tell me a little bit more.
Sure. So Debashree actually came into the Intel Software Innovators program inspired by her fellow female innovator, Peach Pellin, and her work on the Platino Game Engine. In fact, Debashree and fellow innovator and Intel Black Belt, Abhishek Nandi, co-authored a book on Platino. Her focus is on AI and IoT, and she's working on an AI-based StarCraft2 project right now.
So tell me a little bit more about the project.
The project is named StarCraft2 RL with a specific focus on reinforcement learning. Debashree created a learning environment for the StarCraft2 game with Intel distribution for Python, basically creating a trial and error approach using Python on some known maps for StarCraft2. With the help of reinforcement learning, an agent is created which attacks enemy positions and attempts to build wins as a simple bot. Basically, she's currently attempting to make this work in more complex environments for StarCraft2.
That's amazing, and she's also getting more women involved in tech, right?
That's right. She's working hard across northeastern India, empowering women into learning more about technology. To date, Debashree has trained around 300 female developers, helping them grasp different aspects of technology and introducing them to new things related to IoT, OpenVINO, edge computing, and more.
Well, make sure you guys check out the links to learn more about Debashree and her projects. Thanks so much, Wendy.
Cheers.
Cheers. Hey everybody, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't seen our other videos on the Intel Software YouTube channel, remember to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a little comment. Tell us what other material you'd like to see and chat with other enthusiasts who watch our shows.